Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. Y'all, I know I've been missing for like a month. Okay, a lot of things have happened in that time, but we're just gonna jump right into it. I wanted to show you guys a few things I picked up for my business. I've actually just closed my website because I want to be able to, I guess, launch all these items at one time. So I'm currently I currently just closed my website. I will let you guys know in the description box down below when it will be reopened. But I just want to show you guys what I'm doing to build up my website, to build up this business, and not quite telling you guys what I'm doing with everything. But first, I want to do, so if you're new here, or if you just happen to click on this video because you want to know what's in this box, then I'm going to go ahead and do the box first. So, you guys, I got my very first Miss Quilty box, subscription box. I really wanted to try this box for the longest time, and I finally bought me one. This box actually came in like a few days ago. We're going to go ahead and open it. All right. So cute. Look at this box. I'm super ecstatic. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here. So on the very top of the box there is this booklet right here, and oh, so in this booklet, I'm kind of show you guys. It has crafting your quilt vision. Oh, some areas you can fill out, tools you'll need, which I think I have everything there. Oh, okay, they're kind of showing you guys what's going on here. Stuff you'll need: an ironing board, thread, pen, scissors, cutting mats, you know, the basics. So this is a quilting subscription box for beginners, or if you're not a beginner, you just want to do it. So in here kind of shows, like, I guess, some of the fabric choices I have, and I noticed that everything in here is blue. Ooh, there's one fabric I'm kind of interested in. It shows you some projects. Like, if you haven't got this before, like, it shows you some projects you can do in here, and it also has a link to the video. Is that what's being here? I guess so. There's also a recipe in the back of the book, so that's neat. Okay, so we have that. So the very first item in the box, so this is a box or a subscription that gives you quilting fabrics, and from what I was told, what I read, and what I see, you get a free item every single time you get a box. So I'm guessing this is my free item right here because I didn't buy this. It looks like I have a 6.5 by 6.5 quilting ruler. That's neat. I don't think I have a quilting ruler. Yeah, I got a Miss Quilty quilting ruler. I also got, I believe, I don't know what these are. Don't quote me on these things, but there's 3 of them. There's yellow, pink, and blue. These, hopefully it's in here. They're thread holders. So I have 3 thread holders. So, well, that's nice. We're going to put you in here so I don't lose you. Not you. I can put this on my wall. And the next here. Ooh, this is so pretty. You guys, that is so pretty. How they packaged it and everything. I wonder if I can reuse this ribbon. So I have all of my fabrics here. You get 12 fat quarters in this particular one. This one that I have is valued at, hold on, I know I saw it in here when I was reading it, or when I was skimming through it. Okay, so my box is valued at $93.89. Yeah, my free gift was the ruler and the spool wraps. They call it spool wraps. And there's 12 fabrics, and they're 100% cotton, and they're all fat quarters. So I'm just gonna show you guys the colors we have. Oh, and from the glimpse of me looking at the fabrics, they all have names too. But we have this pretty flower one. We have this pretty, I think these are like blue and red daisies, but they're pretty. There's this blue polka dotted one. This blue and white gingham. This blue striped. This one's pretty. I don't know, it's kind of reminds me of like a Hawaiian print. This one's pretty too. And this one, ooh, this one has stripes and polka dots. We have a white and light blue polka dot. We have a dark blue and red polka dot. And lastly, the favorite one that I said, ooh, I like that one because of the butterflies, is the blue with butterflies. Can't wait to play with this one. So those are all the fabrics I got in my very first Miss Quilty box. I'm super happy and ecstatic about that. So let me show you everything else I picked up from the stores. I picked up some fabric, 100% cotton fabric. These were 1 yard from Walmart. I wanted to try Walmart's brand of fabrics, which I've tried this brand before. I got this pretty floral flower one. I thought this one here would be pretty for like fall. And I thought this one would be pretty too for like fall and Christmas, but I don't want to like do Christmas themed items, so I think this one is pretty too. Also, I picked up from Walmart a pack of towels. You guys will see in the upcoming video what I'm doing with these, along with this as well. So that's what I picked up at Walmart. What I picked up from Hobby Lobby, you guys, I picked up this webbing, and it's so pretty. It's because I'm going to be making me a bum bag or a fanny pack. But this is so pretty. Like, the webbing is so pretty. It has gold in there. It's so freaking pretty. Like, I like it. So that's what I got here. Also from Hobby Lobby, I picked up some cotton canvas in this print, in this print, and in this stripe print. Now, when I went to Hobby Lobby, I only went in to get 2 items, okay? I only went in for these D-rings and this. Exactly. It was my husband's fault. He got a basket, so I was putting stuff in the basket. I also went ahead and I picked up these swivel snap hooks. And since it was 40% off of Fiskars, I went ahead and got me a small rotary cutter and 2 extra blades. Now, what I recently picked up from Amazon, which I'm hoping to make this already started today. I'm gonna make me one of those tops that has like the elastic in it, where it looks like a small little like dog shirt, but when you put it on, it stretches and conforms to your body. That's what I want to make with this. So I got this, came in a pack of 2, the black elastic and the white one to go in my bobbin. And I also picked up this baby right here. This is more of like a business thing. It's basically a purse display holder. It'll be easier for me to take pictures. So I picked up one of these. Alright, you guys, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. And like I said, I'm sorry I haven't been on in so long. A lot of things have happened, and yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.